These are my favorite Mercedes, but when I open the bonnet, the engine? Nothing exciting. Let's do something about this and build 2 new engines. Here is the list of bricks and pieces I used. And here it is, all done. Alright, time to drop the engine in. And it fits like a glove. It looks even better from the side. What are your thoughts? Do you like it? Would you change anything? Let me know in comments. And now onto my convertible. Different car, slightly different engine design, but just as cool. And it is ready. It's time to drop the engine in. Just one click and it is in. What do you think? Would you add anything else? And here they are, side by side, both with brand new engines. Which one is your favorite? I will be back soon with something new.